Hello guys, this is my DuroLux. I just got these T5 lights today from Amazon. I'll put a link on my description on my channel, and this is it here. So they come well packaged, as you can see, and power cord, and I'm assuming that is the light bulbs. Right, this is the bulbs. Comes in really well packaged, as you can see. Not to follow the instructions. Okay, so this is how you install the lights. Okay, put it in there. All right, the other end goes in here. And then you twist, lock in. It's like this one. Then make sure this plastic thing here is lined up. Be careful. When both of them are in, twist both same time. This end, twist them at the same time. And it comes with this here, but I think I saw a couple reviews saying that this is not that good. So I got my Palo rope hangers, also from Amazon, which they say that it's adjustable and 150 pounds. This is only 8 pounds, but I'd rather have this here. And I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so after looking at this, these brackets that you see there, those come with the lights. This here does not. So this is the way you do it. Okay, this part goes hanging, and then it has a little adjustable clip, as you see right there, so you can adjust the height of it depending on the how far you want the lights to be to the plant. Okay, basically just hook it there, and so what the other part. Okay, right. And this is the finish setup. I also added my original lights on the side, so you'll get full lights from the side, including my T5s. Ventilation, as you can see. This one on the back was actually my only plant that was basically grown without any artificial lighting, but you can definitely see when I put them here, you can see the difference between how green this guy is compared to the other ones that has been under the light. It's much lighter. That's because I wasn't getting that much sunlight anyway from that side of my house. So, yeah, this is it. Set up here. Very easy. Just hang. 4 feet long. Pretty cool. I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah. If you have any questions, please send me any comments or any ideas. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.